Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. So our critical support right now is 22,868. If we break below that, I think we have a lot more downside. If we do push up, I'll show you where I'm going to go on my short. I'll give you key support resistance levels. I'm also going to give you some support resistance levels for Ethereum as well. Remember, you can access all these live charts on the website, pinned in the first comment description. Is my big affiliate link. It's also pinned in the first comment description as well. So if you watched the last video, guys, I was telling you, I was giving you my prediction, what I expect to play out tomorrow when they release the CPI data. If you want to watch that video, I'll put a link up to it now. I also covered two charts with some fib circles. I was telling you that last time we crossed this yellow ring, we got a pump and then a dump. Made sense we were at support. We crossed this ring, we get a pump. If we did, I said the absolute top would probably be around 24,900. We didn't make it that high. I'll show you a ring that actually nailed the top. I did miss that short, but I was able to catch a short with the blue ring. I'll show you what I'm talking about. But anyways, this is where I was talking about. We crossed this, get a pump. You can see what happened. We crossed the yellow ring, at support, we got a pump. This is where we topped out. Now, someone in Discord had mentioned, I talked about this ring in a previous video. I wasn't watching it at the time, but it did nail the exact top. If you do have access to these charts, guys, I did update the M1 chart. I added this fib circle to the chart. Hit refresh, and you'll see it in the chart now. I'll come back to this in just a sec. Further into the video, I was talking about this blue fib circle. You can see how well price is respecting it. So it was likely we would hit this ring, we'd ride up it, and we cross it, we pivot to come down. You can see how this played out. This is a zoomed in version. This is August 6th when I published this. I hit play. You can see what happened. We rode up the ring. We came down. Once we crossed it, we had a drop. It did push back up. I entered my short here, and price started pushing back up, so I kept raising my stop loss. Had it pushed up past this point, I would have got out and accepted my loss, but I was able to catch this. But I could have caught the actual top of this wick had I been paying attention to that chart, and I'll show you that in just a minute. This was a tweet I made. Again, if you get access to the charts, get access to Discord and Twitter. It was 23 hours ago. I said, watch this chart. If we break blue ring, that could end up being the top pivot for the top. And what I was saying was, once we cross this ring, this could be the top, and we drop from here, and that could still play out. If we do push up, I still want to make sure you know where to short. But again, we did cross this ring, and we dropped, as you can see. And now we're at critical support, 22,962. This is a confluence with this M1 chart. So let me go ahead and tell you right off the bat, this ring right here is from this chart. This was a video I put up. This was August 1st where I was talking about this fib circle. You see where it says 24,419. I'll put a link to this video now if you want to check it out. But this ring actually nailed the top twice when we pushed up. Let me show you the actual chart. So you can see right here, and just to show you the ring above, notice we came down, we found support. We pushed up, it was resistance, resistance. We came down to the next ring, move this out of the way. It was support, support, we pushed up, got rejected. That was the video I was referencing just a minute ago. And then we pushed up, and it was literally to the dollar, and we got rejected. Let me zoom in on that real quick. And get rid of this. So you can see right here, we hit this literally to the dollar. So that's why I added that fib circle to the other chart. So if we do drop from this point, this could be the top, guys. If we do drop down, your next key support will be this ring again, around 18,625. But again, just showing you, we double tapped it twice here. We did a double tap here. So this could be the top, not to mention we're breaking down from this rising wedge. Support, resistance, support, resistance, support. We didn't make it all the way to the top. We're already breaking down from this point. So if the next daily candle opens below 23,324, we've already broken down from this rising wedge, which means we could have a lot more downside. So your first downside target, again, if we break below 22,868, I think we have a lot more downside. I would only be doing scalp longs. So this would be next point to scalp along 20,789. If we push up, I would take my profit, expect more downside. If we do push up, I do think this ring will be the top. I would like to push up again because I would like to get a short in. So if we do push up, a likely top, again, that fib circle has nailed tops. So 24,161 around that area, it seems like that's the top. If we do get above it, I will still short this white line. This is where we shorted it, 52,000, 48,000, and 40,000. I'm pretty sure that's correct. But again, this is the same line. Every time we hit it, we short. So we still have to get above this ring, around 24,200 to get above that. Again, 24,500 I think is the absolute top. But we've already broken down from this rising wedge, and I think we have a lot more downside. All right, guys, let me move on. This is the G1 chart. Your current resistance right above right now is right here, 23,214. Your next support level to catch a bounce, 22,594. If we get above 23,300, your next resistance level is right here at 23,650. This is the A1BG chart, guys. I showed you how to get this into the BitGet platform. If you want to watch that video, I'll put a link up to it now. I'm just give you key support resistance levels. As I always tell everyone, always just look left, guys. I've already mapped out your strongest key support resistance levels with these white lines. So currently you can see your key support right now that's holding, just like I showed you on those other two charts. This is critical support level, 22,964. If that breaks, we have a lot more downside, but this chart you can use to scalp. So if we drop down, next point to scalp along would be around 22,421. If we drop below that, next point to scalp along would be down here at 22,071. If we push up, your next point to put in a short would be right here at 23,748. And if we get above that, next point to scalp a short would be around 24,364. This is the Ethereum chart. Same thing, guys. Just look left and you can see why. You can see that right here has been a lot of resistance. You see we got rejected at that point. So right now you can see currently, see how we pushed up. Let me grab a price label here. So you can see this right here was resistance. We dropped down. So look, your next support to catch a bounce is 1,651. Your next strongest support, again, the ones in the white lines are your strongest support levels. By the way, I did make a video showing how to get this chart into BitGet. I'll put a link up this video now if you want to check it out. But your next support level is 1,620. Your next support level below that is right here, 1,592. Your next very strong support level to catch a bounce is right here at 1,523. Your current resistance right now is 1,688. The next resistance above is 1,716, and your strongest resistance right now is right here at 1,740. Guys, if you want to sign up to BitGet, my affiliate link is pinned down in the first comment description. Remember, if you do sign up, depending on how much you deposit, now you have to deposit a certain amount to get this $4,163, but you can't get that for free to trade. Again, if you use my links, pinned in the first comment description. If you do want to sign up and get access to these charts, Discord and Twitter, it's $49 a month. Just check out the website. They have tutorials as well, teaching my method of charting, and I have stocks. But guys, that's pretty much it. Just pay attention. If we push up, I think 24,174 is probably an ideal point to put in a short. Not financial advice, that's where I'm going to be shorting. If you do push above that, I do think the absolute top is around 24,500. And if we do come down, if we do break 22,868, guys, I would scalp a short at 20,789. But once we're down to this point, I think it's game over. I think we have a lot more downside. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.